students of class 6. Today I will start one new chapter for your second unit test. The name of the chapter is Agriculture of India. Okay, open page number 112. The name of the chapter is Agriculture of India. This chapter includes map pointing also. Okay. India has diverse physical divisions. Diverse means variety, diversified. Climate and soil, therefore a variety of crops are cultivated here. In India, large varieties of crops are cultivated because India is a diverse country with varieties of climate, soil and physical divisions. Agriculture is the principal occupation of the people of India. So underline which is the principal occupation of the people of our country, agriculture. More than 70% of the working population maintain their livelihood by cultivation. Underline 70% of the people of our country engaged in agriculture. 70% of the people engaged in agriculture. India's agriculture mainly depends on monsoon and rainfall. So, Indian agriculture largely depends on monsoon rainfall. But you know that monsoon is uneven. Sometimes it comes regularly. In some years it comes regularly and in some years it comes late. So, this erratic nature of monsoon is a very problematic feature for Indian agriculture, and so Indian agriculture depends on irrigation. Now, why Indian agriculture depends on irrigation? Because of the erratic nature of monsoon. Sometimes, some years monsoon wind comes early, before time and depart late. Sometimes it came late and depart early. For this uncertain characteristics of monsoon wind, Indian agriculture depends on irrigation. Now, what is irrigation? Irrigation is the artificial means of giving water to the agricultural land. Artificially, when rainfall is short, water is given to the farmland artificially, and that artificial way of supplying water to the farmland is called irrigation. So, Indian agriculture is mainly influenced by irrigation system. Irrigation is more or less indispensable to Indian agricultural system. Without proper irrigation system, agriculture is not possible in our country. There are certain factors for which irrigation depends. There are 10 factors. Please underline the 10 factors name that you have to read properly for irrigation purpose. First is good fertile soil with proper drainage. Next is cheap labor. Next is measured monsoonal rain. Next is proper and timely irrigation during rainy season. Next is high yielding seeds. Next is fertilizers. Next is pesticides. Next is transport. Next is storing, and next is market. These 10 factors are mainly important for irrigation purpose. So, without proper irrigation system and all these factors, Indian agriculture will not flourish properly. Indian agriculture will not flourish properly. Next, what are the, I will explain the points one by one. First is good fertile soil with proper drainage. Fertile soil is very needed. Fertility of the soil is highly needed because if the soil is infertile, crop cultivation fails. Cheap labor means less paid laborers are needed so that the cost of agriculture or the price will not go too far. Next, measured monsoonal rainfall. Monsoonal rainfall must be adequate. Means a huge amount of rainfall or less amount of rainfall is not at all suitable. Next, proper and time irrigation during proper irrigation system is needed. Next, high yielding variety of seeds. High yielding variety of seeds means what? The seeds from where huge amount of crop production will develop. Okay. Fertilizers means additional system to increase the productivity of the soil. Next, pesticides to check the pest attack. Next, transport to carry the product from one place to another, that is from field to the market or to the storehouse. Proper transport needed. Next, storing, proper storage system is needed for the agricultural goods. You have to store properly. And market, where the crops are the sellers sell the products in the market. So all these points are very important. These 10 points are important for your exam. Now we are going to the next part, that is green revolution. So this part, listen, agriculture is a very short chapter but very important part, and we have to go through this part properly, step by step. And this agriculture part, that is all the 10 points, from these 10 points at least you have to read, means at least you have to read all the points for this purpose, okay, for your exam. So in next video I will continue this chapter. Thank you class.